how to change the display view on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the instrument cluster, and here to navigate in instrument cluster you have to use those arrows left and right, confirm options by pressing the OK button, and scroll up and down also by using the OK button. Alright, so now if you know the basics, let's go to your instrument cluster, so let me just make it bigger for you. Alright, and here let's use those arrows to choose here the settings, press OK to confirm it, then scroll down until you see the display settings, press OK to confirm it, and as you can see here you can change some display settings. For example, change display view, it could be a classic mode or enhanced mode. So you have to decide which of them is the best for you, classic or enhanced. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.